I'm going to sing another song. Again, these are all the words of Christ, and then I'll come into the closing part. Whoever humbles themselves as a little child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Whoever receives my little child in my name receives me. Some of the little children will be such is the Whoever causes one of these little ones who believes in me to sin will be literally hailstones up around his head. He was drowned in the depths of the sea. Whoever causes one of these little ones who believes in me to sin, will be blowing a storm song around his neck, and he was drowned in the depths of the sea. Woe to the world for offenses must come. Woe to the man, woe to the man whom the offenses come. Whoever humbles themselves as a little child is the greatest kingdom of heaven. Whoever receives one little child in my name receives me. Suffer little children who live not come to me. Such is the kingdom of heaven. Amen. You know that word suffer in the Greek means send forth, but the root word of that word means to turn. In other words, turn the little children unto me. Come to Jesus. Come to Jesus.